Scarlet. Scarlet. You gonna roll over to your back?
It's a video.
Move. No, you leave her alone. You both sit on the couch.
Let us be in the video.
You gonna roll over?
Are you gonna put this on? Are you gonna put this on the computer if it works?
Roll over. Where are you going? Leave her alone. Let her do it herself. Let her do it herself.
Somebody has to push her over to.
She did it a minute ago. You gonna roll over? Little legs moving.
Let us be in the video too. Just let us be in the picture video.
Say hi.
Hi. This is a movie of Scarlett trying to roll over. She did it earlier. Yeah, she did. She should have been in the video.
No, you wiggle too much.
This is Scarlett. She has gold wrinkles and gold doodles.
Get back.
Remember that black thing? Don't care about it because it was just my sister getting away of getting in front of Scarlett.
She wants to do it.
Was the black thing.
Here, let's roll her. Move. Let's roll her to her back and see if she rolls over to her stomach. Leave her alone. No, you let her do it
Hello,
herself.
this is a version of Scarlett Brienne Sharp gonna roll over.
Gabrielle, that doesn't count.
Roll over.
Okay, stop rolling her back and forth. She's gonna puke.
That wasn't rolling, but it was actually my sister that rolled it over.
No, let her do it herself.
We started with her wood.
I think she gets tired. Here. Yeah, leave her there. Let her do it herself. Don't do it again. Let her do it herself. Get your feet away.
Me and Gabby are talking.
No, you need to stop. You need to stop.
The movie is
Get back. Get back from her.
We're gonna be Mom, can you believe it? We're gonna be on a computer and we can watch it all day. Yeah.
You gonna roll?
Daddy, look at me.
You gonna roll, baby? Move, Gabrielle, so she has room.
Watch me. Mom,
No, she's,
after the
don't push her
video's
stomach.
done, can we see the video? Can we see the video
Yep.
after?
Leave her alone. Let her do it herself.
You got me. Hello, 1 minute.
Move. There's not enough room.
This is.
Move. She can't roll if you're in the way.
Scarlett will roll over. She just rolled over. Did you see her?
She didn't roll over. Gabriella, stop touching her.
Hey.
Gabrielle, do you love your sister?
She gotta be inside. Love
Let her do it herself.
That's my sister that just got on that baby. She loves Scarlett, so she gets on the baby.
You can't just roll her around the floor. Is your sister crazy? Hey, Mimi.
Hold on. Hello, 1 second, please. Hey.
You stop touching her now.
Talk.
Kick her in the head.
Hey, wait until sugar on my mouth. Hi, everybody. One bloody girl. Yours. That's what you mean. I like it. That's what you mean.
Here, stop.
That was so.
Move over so she can roll.
That'll be over.
Stop doing it.
That's what you mean. I'll figure